Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Today I'm going to show one thing, and that especially this is a one I implemented in real-time scenario. I got the requirement like this. So let's discuss about that requirement. So few virtual machines we deployed it. It's a kind of Linux and Windows servers, and keep it into the one resource group. Those are all those things. But actually, management asking me to move some of the virtual machine to different resource group. Why? Because of governance wise. It's a different projects, and those virtual machine keep it into the different resource group, and providing the access and governance wise and cost wise everything. They want tracking and as per company standards following. Due to that, they are asking me to move those virtual machine to different resource group. Okay, that is a point here. Now, I hope everyone understand the scenario. Let's see the practical. And when we are doing in the lab, it's a very easy, simple. We can deploy the virtual machine and we can try to move it. It will move. We won't get any issues also. But real time, like that virtual machine, multiple disk and backup is enabled and monitoring is enabled. Like that, so many different things are attached for that virtual machine. So when I'm working to move one resource group to another resource group, I got the issue. How I resolve the issue, and in case of if you are getting such issues, how to resolve it, I'm going to explain it here so that might be it's helpful to someone. Okay, let's jump into the practically how we can move it. Before that, please guys, if you like the videos, and please subscribe and share with your friends and colleagues, give the comments and like button, and thank you very much. Let's jump into the practical about how we can able to move one resource group to another resource group. Let's see here. This is a virtual machine. I deploy one virtual machine here, and this virtual machine already integrated with the backup. Let's go to here below under operation. It's a backup is available, and if you see this backup, and it's already three snapshots, and one is a snapshot, and Voltaire is available, and totally is a backed up. Okay, those virtual machine is a backing up. It's a running also. Okay, already it's this virtual machine already under monitoring also. Let me show you. Go to monitoring. Go to Azure Monitor. Even I can show to it's enable the monitor, and here under insights virtual machine, click on overview, and from this place you can see monitor, and that particular test VM01 it's enabled, and data collection to that particular log analytics workspace. Log analytics workspace is already is available, guys. Now if I'm going to move this virtual machine one resource group to another resource group, right now you can see it, guys. AG daily lab RG something like resource group is available. Now click on that resource group and search with that virtual machine name test VM01, and we can see the all the virtual machine, that particular virtual machine related all the components or services, we can see it here, guys. So all the components I'm going to select it. First of all, it's not a virtual machine one time, after that public address, after that virtual machine, after that it's a voice disk and data disk and additional data disk, like that. It's not like that, guys. Everything we need to select all the components at a time. That particular virtual machine related all the components we need to select it, guys. And above option is a move. Here we got the options move to the another resource group. Now my requirement is a move to another resource group. But if it is a move to another subscription, move to the another region, you must ensure this virtual machine attached to which virtual network, that particular virtual network, that virtual network attached to how many virtual machine, all the resources, everything should be moved. After that only it will move it. Otherwise it won't move and you will get the dependency issues. Okay, but now our requirement is a only move within the subscription different resource group. Okay, try to understand, guys. Different resource group. If you are planning to move different region or different subscription, that relevant all the resources you need to select it at a time and try to move it the at a time all the resources. Otherwise definitely you will get the lot of different variety of issues. You will get it, guys. Okay. Now our agenda is a move to another resource group. Click on, and which resource group I want. Suppose I want is a Azure Compute -RG. If I click on next, and you can see it's a pending validation. It's a trying to validate this resource as any dependencies is available or not. It's going to checking. So if it is, there is no any dependency, and it will show you that validation, it's a successful validation. It's going to show to us is a successful, but definitely I will get the error, guys. That error is a regarding this disk is a backing up. It's already integrated with the backup. Due to that, I will get the error. Due to that, I will get the error, guys. Let's see that error message also. After that, I'm going to back to that test virtual machine, and how I can stop the backup, and how to resolve this issue, and how to move it the things I will show you. But only stopping the backup, it won't work, guys. Only stopping the backup, it won't work. Definitely Microsoft given one more point that we need to follow it. After that only we can able to do it. Especially this issue is a, we need to perform two steps: stop the backup, and as well as restore points. All restore this relevant restore points, everything we need to delete it. After deleting the all the restore points, not data, guys. Try to understand, not data. So as it is, that is everything is available, but restore point related all the things I'm going to delete it. After that, it's going to work, and definitely we can able to move that particular virtual machine one resource group to another resource group. It's a possible, otherwise it's not possible. And one more point, guys. Now if it is a that virtual machine, some resource ID should be available. Now when we are moving to another resource group, this particular virtual machine resource ID is going to change. Resource ID, it's going to change. So during that time, might be we are going to experience virtual machine not able to access. It's not like, we are unable to access that particular application or mission. We can't able to access it. Okay, such experience might be, we can see it. Okay. So coming to here, you can observe, guys, what we got the issue. You can observe here, click on error details. And what is the saying that the move resources request containing resources like subscription, some subscription ID, resource group, so and so, and that particular disk that are being backed up as part of Azure backup job. Browse the link and so, blah, blah, it's showing. So totally these three disks is a backed up. Due to that, it's getting the error. How to resolve this issue? How to resolve the issue? Let's jump into the back, and again, I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue. Let's stop it. Go to virtual missions, go to that particular virtual mission, and back here, and backup is available here. Click on that backup under operation backup, and after that, first of all, we need to stop the backup. Okay, stop the backup. So retrain the, I don't want delete the backup data, just retrain the backup, and it's due to some other regions. And you, if you want, you can mention the comments and everything. Stop the backup. Once stop the backup, now I'm going to delete the restore points all. Okay, that means I'm not going to delete these snapshots and this snapshot and wall type, these things I'm not going to delete it, guys. Try to understand. I can show you even those, you can observe here, there are three totally is available file system consistency snapshot. And this is a Linux virtual machine. If you require the application consistency, pre and post script is required. Okay, but I'm not configure, I don't have any application on this. That's the reason, just as a enable the backup, and three snapshot is available for that. Okay, so let's go to home, and what I mentioned, restore point collection, we need to delete it. Restore points, we need to delete it. So how, where we can get it, this restore point, how to delete it? So if you go to the search, restore point collections, and you can see, guys, it's a notification also, we got it. And stop the backup, returning the backup for data for the test VM1. Okay, we got it. And search restore point collections. So this is a one we need to search. And if you have multiple backups, search with that VM. You can see Azure backup underscore that particular virtual machine name underscore that some unique ID is available. So this particular restore point collections we must and should needs to be deleted. After that only that issue going to resolve. Otherwise it won't resolve, guys. So that's the reason I'm going to select it here. Okay, let me enter into this restore point totally. And you can see here totally these 3 disks is on that virtual machine, 3 disks is available. Restore point collection is available, and that particular one restore point is a uh, 12/6/2022 1:41:21 p.m. and another one is a 12/6/2022 11:00:15 a.m. These are restore points. Two restore points is available. So these two totally, if you have multiple, you need to select all the things and delete it. Delete. Now, once is a delete these restore points. Yes, after that we can able to move. Definitely we can able to move. Let's test it, and we can able to move or not. Let's look into that. Let's wait here. It's trying to deleting. It won't take much time. You can see here deleted restore point collection. Very quickly it's a deleted. And go to restore point collection. Just a refresh. It's because of just now we tried to delete it, and it should be deleted. And otherwise we can select it here. Even this is a one, nothing is required actually, but just I'm checking. Go to restore point collection, nothing is available. Okay, great. And coming to test virtual machine, and this go to the particular resource group and select the test VM1 related all the components at a time. So that means number of disk and network interface card and VM and everything. So I'm selecting all the things and try to click on move and move to another resource group and select the destination resource group name. That resource group name is this is a one. Now click on next, and now it's a validating if it is any dependency is available or not. And if it is any dependency, again we'll get the error message, guys. We'll get the message like failed and error details like that. It will show to us accordingly. Again we need to troubleshoot it. Mostly it won't show any errors, any failed. Let's look into that. Let's wait for a few seconds here, and we can see that output here. Once is a success, we got it here, and click on next below here. We can observe here, click on next here. Okay, so that click on next, waiting for complete here, successful. After that only we can able to uh, uh, click on next. That option also will get it. So let's wait for a few seconds here, and we can see the output successful here, validation successful. Um, let's wait. So now we can see here succeeded. Totally it's showing succeeded, guys. So that means now we don't have any issue. We can click on next, and we need to check mark below, and you can see I understand the tools and scripts associated with the mood resources will not work until I update them to use the new resource ID. So that particular virtual machine resource ID it's going to update it, guys. So once until update the resource ID, and we can able to access properly. But in between time when updating the resource ID, and we are going to experience and we are unable to access or we can't utilize it these resources, guys. So this is a one more point we need to keep in mind, and click on move. Now it's moving the resources also, and once is a move the resources, and this particular test VM 01 related all the components moving to the another resource group, and we can't see this resource from this resource group, and we can see into the AG-compute-RG resource group because of we selected destination that resource group. That's the reason we can able to see that place. So here also it will take little bit time, and just wait for a few seconds and we can see the output here also. And yeah, it's going to completed. Just wait for a few seconds here. Okay, so here you can see guys, moving resources completed. So let's close the notification and refresh it here, and we can't see the test VM here definitely. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, you can see here it's missing. That means that VM is a move to another resource group. Click on virtual machine and you can see here and Azure Compute -RG. That means that particular virtual machine, all the components like network interface code, all the disks and everything is a move to another resource group. Now go to that particular virtual machine. After that, again, we need to enable the backup because of it's a real time when you are implementing, we should do it. That is the same thing. So you need to go to that particular one and that particular policy, which policy we applied it, test policy, that is a one I applied it and enable the backup for that. So enabled and it's going to again enabling the backup for that virtual machine and go to the backup vault also because of I create a backup vault and you can go to the backup items and okay, let's back here, backup vault, backup items. And what I'm showing here, it's that particular VM related snapshots I want to show you. View details, click on, and we can see all the snapshots. The data is available. Okay. Again, it's going to that backup agent. We are going to resume. Okay. What we stop the backup, we are going to resume the backup. Resume the backup. Resume the backup, guys. So here already I tried and it's working in deployment in progress. Let's wait some time and it will completed. Okay. Hopefully everyone understand. Thank you. And if you are like, and please subscribe and share with your colleagues and friends and like and comment below. Thank you everyone.